In this video, I'm going to show you how to get CapCut Pro. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is open up CapCut. Now from here, if you look at the top of CapCut, we've got a Pro button, so go ahead and click on Pro. Now it will say join CapCut Pro, unlock all Pro features and materials. So if we scroll down a bit, we can look at some of these options. So these will change depending what location. I'm in Australia, so this is going to be in Australian dollars. So at the moment, there's 42% off, 40% off, or your first year for $100. So you can choose either one. I will also put a link in the description below about getting Pro free for 7 days as well. So if you're interested in that, go and check out that link in the description. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose this monthly one here, 40% off. And now I'm going to purchase, click on purchase.